YouTube was good. Yeah, you know, back at it. Today, I'm just trying to go straight to it because I'm trying to, I got this already locked in. So basically, I'm trying to get the rear pegs and I got a rear seat for my GSXR-750 07. And when I bought it, it came as a kit from eBay. It was about like $25–$30. So obviously, it only came, this part was separate and this part was separated. And they gave you what? This thing right here, and basically just like a couple little things you need to know. And basically, what I'm trying to say is, there's no instructions at all when I got this, so I didn't know what I was supposed to do and how I was supposed to get that on. So basically, I did a little digging, did a little research, and look at that. It's pretty fancy. I know. One might ask, like, how do I get to here? That's the end goal. Well, basically, we got this part right here. Usually the people didn't explain this really clearly, so I'm like, might as well just make a quick video of it, help people like me that didn't really see clearly and was trying to get it on the first try. So basically, as you can see, the peg itself has 2 holes on one side and on the other side is only 1. So the one that's closed, you want to take the spring, put it into that one. Once that is in, you want to grab the little silver round sphere. Also known as just a ball, I guess. That's what you're gonna say, pause. But yeah, you grab that. So what the quick trip that the quickest way I figured out is, if the ball won't go in all the way, you could obviously push it in, try to keep it in there, but it won't stay in there unless, like, you could obviously try pushing it in, it won't stay in there. But basically, you want to just grab this, put it on the ball, and with the silver plate that also came with the kit, you want to just push down with that circle part. And with that circle part, you see that this one, the main one, obviously will go through the big one. You'll use the big screw. Once you get it in there, you'll wedge it in there. It'll be tough, but you just gotta fight. But basically, what happens now is, obviously, before you even start, you want to make sure you got the right and the left and left always staying with each other. And basically, with the silver part on the bottom and this facing upwards, as in this is, look, you can see just like that, and the silver plate just on the bottom, you want to sneak it in just like any regular snack. You would try to sneak it in, you feel me? So once you get it in, you gotta be quick, you know what I'm saying? Use both hands, screw or little bolt thing. It's gonna take a little pushing, but you gotta just get to work. Use your hands, bam, just like that. That's all it's in. And with this last part, the clip, silver, or this black clip, you just wanna put it on, and this black clip is kind of hard. Honestly, just, you could use like a flathead Phillips or anything, even like this thing. Just help you use your hands. I'm just using my feet to hold it in place and get the right angle. And basically, you just want to push it in. I'm guessing you could use pliers for this, but I don't got time for that. Give it a nice little push, and voila, you have now gotten this locked. And look at that, it obviously went through pretty snug. The ball is now in use. And for these screws, you need a M8 by 23 millimeter. I didn't come in the kit. I'm so dumb. I'm not dumb, but like, they didn't put it in the description. I didn't read it. It's whatever. I'm probably gonna go to Menards or something like that, get me some. But pretty simple, really. Once you get that on, well, I'll show you guys how it looks on the bike once that is complete. So basically, got these in, and look at that. The only things that were missing, obviously, were these type of screws right here. These 8mm by 25mm button head socket screws. Put them two under there. Obviously the lighting is trash. Ooh, let me grab those two, put them over there, put some over there on that side of the tires. And the new seat. Just like that. Now we got a rear seat. And just like that, YouTube, it's a wrap. I mean, pretty simple process. It's just that there really wasn't any instruction manuals that came with the installation of those pegs. And then the seat cover was pretty easy. Just obviously unlock the key part of it, put a seat in, and then just lock it back in, and just like that. It's pretty simple. And yeah, I mean, it was a pretty simple process overall. I think the seat itself was like 30 40 bucks, and then the seat pegs itself was another like 30 40 bucks. So not a bad investment at all, especially if you want to give anyone a ride. So yeah. And other than that, I think my bike is starting to leak oil, so I think sometime soon I'll probably end up changing the oil, as well as the oil stator is what I believe is leaking, especially on these Gixxers. That seems to be the main issue on them. So I'll go ahead and get that oil stator replaced, as well as the oil stator, the gasket I should say, and then the stator cover itself. Hopefully that takes care of it, because I did replace it sometime last year, but I'm going to try it one more time. I'm going to make a video and let y'all know how that goes. But other than that, hope y'all enjoyed, and catch y'all on the bled.